Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset your Ninja blender. So let's get started. First, unplug your Ninja blender from the power outlet. Over here, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to let the system fully reset and clear any internal errors. After that, check the power source. Over here, make sure the outlet is working by plugging in another appliance. Then, avoid using an extension cord and plug the blender directly into the wall socket. Next, reassemble the blender properly. Over here, make sure the pitcher is seated correctly on the base, the lid is locked securely with the handle clicked down, and the blades are properly aligned inside the pitcher. Then reset the motor. If the blender stopped mid-use, unplug it and let it cool down for about 15 to 30 minutes. After cooling, plug it back and this resets the thermal fuse automatically. After that, press the power button. Over here, check if the lights come back on. If it still doesn't respond, recheck all the connections and make sure the pitcher and lid are locked properly. Then check for error lights. If your blender has flashing indicator lights, reseat all components until the light turns solid. That means it's ready to blend. Finally, if it still doesn't start, contact Ninja customer support for repair or replacement help. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.